Hello there. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to deal with the module I have installed earlier called Tag Cloud. After you install the Tag Cloud and you enable it, and you have the option to configure it. After you click configure, you should get to the screen. Really, you don't need to change anything in this particular screen. What you do next is you've got the structure. You have got the content type and the taxonomy. We need to create taxonomies first. Under the tag we add terms. So let's call this one term 1 and no relation because we don't have hierarchies, and we do it, and we add term 2 and we go. And carry on if you want to add more terms, but let's add the third one. And save. So we added the term. The next thing, we go to structure, the content type, and we select the content we want to edit. So we will manage fields, and in the manage field you've got term reference if you want to create an existing one, but we're gonna create a brand new one. So we will use the term reference. We will call it Tags Cloud. I've already got it here. And save. Before you save, make sure that is check box or radio button and save. Okay, because we've created it earlier, let's call it Cloud 1. Let's call and save. Now you've got the tags, so that's the correct one. Save. If you have more vocabularies, it will appear here, but we don't. We only have tags. And make sure if you want it to work with the model, you have to use the tags because that's the default. And save. And the configuration, we will make it unlimited. And if you want to make it required, is save. Now if you go, now we done the steps correctly, and if we add, now before that you go to structure, blocks. You make sure the module is enabled, and you should find it here. Configure in your default theme. In your default theme, you should put it, for example, you want to put it in the footer, we'll put it you have to put it any way you want. So that is that. Now we've got our block is in place, and we display it on all pages and done. So if we check now, if we want to add content, add basic page, let's say page 1. Now you've got 3 terms. If you select all of them, you should find them in there. Now you've got the term 1, term 2, term 3. That's in the tags, in tags model. So you've got them here, and the content itself has the terms. It will appear here under each content, but this will be the main that hold the tags module. I hope this tutorial helped. Thanks for watching.